Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. In this question, we're going to be finding a percentage of an amount. And we've got to find 2% of 3,000. You need to write your answer in the box, and this is going to be worth 1 mark in your exam. Now, the key facts to be able to answer this question. You're going to need to follow a few steps. So our first step is that we need to find 10%. Now, to find 10% of any number, we need to divide by 10. So we're going to take the number we're working with, which is 3,000 in this case, and we've got to divide it by 10 to be able to find 10% of 3,000. Remember, when you're dividing by 10, all the digits move one place to the right, so they get smaller, or it's the same as taking a 0 off the end. So that's how we find 10%. Step 2, we're now going to find 1%. So to find 1%, the answer we've just worked out in step 1 is we're going to take that answer and we've now got to divide it by 10 again because that will give me 1%. So 1% is the answer we've just worked out divided by 10 again. So following exactly the same steps as what you've done before, moving the digits to the right, and then that will give me what 1% is. Now we need to find 2%. So to find 2%, the answer we've just got, which is 1%, we're then going to multiply that by 2, which is the same as doubling. So we need to double the answer you've just got for step 2, and that will give you the answer, which is 2%. Now once you have found 10% and 1% of any number, you will be able to work out any single percentage. So just think carefully about what percentage you've been asked to find, and then see if you can work it out by finding 10%, 1%, and then breaking it down into a smaller problem to be able to answer the question you've got to do. Press pause, have a go at working out the answer, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Fantastic work, guys. So hopefully to start with, you have worked out 10% of 3,000. So to find 10% of 3,000, we have to do 3,000 divided by 10. So all these digits are going to move one place to the right, which is the same as taking a 0 off the end here. So my answer is 300. Now I need to find 1%. So this is step 2. So I'm going to take this 300 and I'm going to divide it by 10 again. So 300 divided by 10 will give me 1%. So again, all the digits are going to move one place to the right, which is the same as taking off a 0 off the end. So 1% is going to be 30. Now I've got 1%, I've got to work out 2%. So the question wants 2%. So to get from 1 to 2, I need to multiply by 2 or double. So basically, I just need to double this answer here, 30, to get the final answer. So 2% of 3,000 is going to be 30 times by 2, which is going to be 60. Remember to write your answer in the box for the 1 mark on the exam. Give yourself a big tick if you got this correct. Well done. Great work. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer is 60. 1M means 1 method mark. Bear in mind on the right hand side here it says do not accept 60%. So if you wrote 60% you would not get the mark, but just writing the number 60 does get you a mark. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.